In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add a texture in your text in Photoshop. Okay, so first of all, hit the text tool and then you want to type out your text. So I need to select the color of the text. I'll just make it white. And then you click anywhere on your canvas and then you can say, let me just make that capitals, insert text here. Okay, something like that, just as an example. Then I'm going to hit the selection tool. I'm going to make this text slightly bigger like that. And I'm going to position that in the center. Okay, then you need to get your texture. Okay, so you can get any texture that you would like online. For this example, I have this texture, so I'm going to drag that into this canvas and I'm just going to position it just like this. And then what you want to do is you can see here's the layer of the texture, here's the text layer, and here's the background. So if I push Alt on my keyboard, well, actually I'm on a Mac, so I push Option key, but you either want to push the Alt key if you're on PC or Option if you're on Mac. So if I hover over here, you can see where my mouse pointer is. It's pointing up there towards the texture. If I now push Option or Alt, you can see a downward arrow right there. Okay, so this is what you want to do. Now hold the Option or the Alt key and then just click. So right there I've just clicked, and then now you can see the texture is in fact inside the text. Okay, so that's how you create a clipping mask, by hitting the Alt or Option key, and then you can see that downwards arrow. Just position your mouse cursor like somewhere between the two layers and you should see that option appear. Okay, so if this helped you out, drop a like onto this video and I'll see you in the next one.